one more question. What kind of society would you like, or would you want that it should be the ideal society? Yes.
So we need to make the society in which unity and sorry. No. Could you please repeat your question?
So what kind of society do you want for yourself?
So we want
Yes, let us think.
united and justful society or peaceful society, we can say.
Okay. So see what just and peaceful society. Yes, please.
Open-minded society.
Okay, open-minded society. If we are describing in words, there are lots of words, right? Peace, just, united, open-minded, friendship.
Society in a limit.
Fair-minded. Yes. So to make this society, as let's take an example of a brick. This is a brick. This is the whole building made by a brick. Let's take an analogy. Brick is equal to a person, right? If we add these bricks in a sequence, it will make a building, right? What is that thing? Okay, this is a thing. Let's take something. Okay, it's the brick. If I put brick and brick, so will it be united?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Don't we need something else?
Yes.
Cement.
Okay,
We need to
this is a brick, right? One more brick, one more brick, one more brick. Will it be strong?
No.
What do we require?
Adhesiveness.
Yes, we require something that can hold these bricks. Yes. What are those things?
Cement.
Kindness.
Okay. Yes.
Honesty.
Definitely we require this kind of thing. Let's take example of humans as an analogy, right?
Optimistic.
What we are different from each other, right? So what is the thing that can make us united?
Our inward qualities.
Our involved qualities. Anything else?
Behavior.
Okay, our behavior. So as everything is different, so let's come to the lesson first. The lesson first is what is a human being? What do we understand by this term human being? Yes, please. Okay, a person may be different. Okay. Anybody have different answers? Yes.
A person who can take right or wrong decisions.
Okay, let's go for the word human being. Human beings, what is the meaning of being? Yes, being.
Being is, I think, being is true.
Truth, okay. Anything else?
Yes.
Yes.
Like we use this word also. Plus, if some of them do something wrong, then we use this word. We like a human being, so be kind, be humble, like this.
Okay, exactly.
Okay, the being means Prajati.
Okay, you can say this thing also. Last response.
Being means to be continued.
Yes.
Can you say? See, human being. If we take this term in Hindi, that means इंसान होने के नाते, right?
Yes.
After being a human.
Yes.
So we are going to learn this thing. इंसान होने के नाते, who am I? What is my existence?
Yes.
Right? Right or not?
Yes.
Yes. So in this thing, we are going to learn that the self-reflection. Are we a good human or not? And what is the definition of good human? In this lesson, we are going to learn this thing. I know you all have covered this lesson, so you have answers. Let's take it summarize it. Right. So here is a quote that we all have understood. There are two types of qualities in ourselves: good qualities, bad qualities, hidden in the mind. Education is that key, that golden key, that can unlock that treasure of the gems of rich in qualities. Everybody has that gems, right? It is not like that I have and Rasegar does not have. Rasegar has, Nida does not have. Everybody has those gems. But what do we require? That is the education only that we require to unlock that treasure. Right? So in first lesson we are going to learn this thing. There are some questions that we have already discussed. Let's come to the lesson number 2. As we have learned, as we have understood that who am I and what is my existence, what is my importance as a single person. Now let's see in terms of biology. As we have physical body, right? In terms of biology, where do we stand? Yes. So as a person, where do we stand? As a biological person, as a body. So in this lesson, we are going to learn that we all have 99.9 reason I believe, what caste I have, what culture do we have, right? We all have 99.9% similar DNA. The 1% is different, that is just because of our ancestors and the family. When we have this much similarity, then how can we say that we are different from each other? Right? Rajsekhar is different from me. Sohit is different from me. As we have 99.9% DNA similar. So in this lesson, we are just going to make them understand that every human
Question also.
Yes, yes.
If a student will ask us that who am I and what is the exact answer we can give?
See, this exact answer we do not have. It is a kind of truth we are seeking for. We do not have absolute answer that what is the exact truth.
But
Right?
we have already
We have, we have.
identity. In this identity, we have a video, and the video already asked us this question: who am I?
Who am I? See, for everybody, this can be a different answer. What is, yes,
Maybe we can say the person who can spread happiness and love.
definitely the definition of God.
We can
Right.
relate with that.
Yes. See, for everybody it can be different. Like, what is my own qualities? What am I looking for? What is your own qualities? What you are looking for? Intellectual, moral, and spiritual. For me, it can be the things which you are not looking for. For you, it can be the things that I am not looking for. Right? So, as she shared, like yes, Chandra.
Yes, so as we have the different answers, we have not exact answer of who am I. So like that same, we will be taking answers and they will be giving answer like I am kind, I am loving nature, I am respected towards others, like such kind of answers. Who am I?
You,
These
the answer of this question, who are you? You are the kind of single unit that can spread the happiness and the peace among the whole society.
Yes.
This is your existence. Right? So let's come to the third. As we have understood that what is our importance as a biological person, let's come to the spirituality. What is our importance? What is the needs to be a spiritual person? See, we all have physical body, right? So do we mean that this is the whole thing we have?
No.
This is not the thing that we have. There is one more thing more than the physical body.
Yes.
Right? And people will not remember after some time that when I will die, that what body did I have, what car did I had. People will remember my qualities, what qualities I had when I was alive, what behavior is.
Here we can give the example of computer or mobile phone.
Yes, yes.
It is a physical body,
Yes.
but we need to operate. If we want to operate this, we need to. We want operating system. So our qualities are our operating system.
Definitely, and that's the spirit. That's a connection towards the divine source
Yes.
that is operating all of us. For you, it can be different thing. For you, you believe in different things, but that's the own divine source. There is one source. For that is giving us the power to operate this body. People will only remember like how I behaved with you when I was alive, not the car, not the wealth, not the things that you possessed when you were alive. Right? People will only remember the behavior, the kindness that you show that person to that person. Let's come to the next lesson. Here we are talking about the dehumanization. Now we know what is our spiritual view, what is our biological view. So now we are going to make the students understand what is humanization. We can start by the term humanization as Anmol has shared. Like if you will go through dehumanization, they will not definitely understand. They will just memorize this thing. So as Vishal, right? So Vishal has already explained like humanization, dehumanization. How can we go for that? Next, the story of the Sphinx. So Sphinx, we all have understood that there is a face of a human being. The body is of a animal. Human. The concept is that we are derived from the nature. If you have read the theory of evolution, from the single cell, we have reached here.
What do you think about this activity? This story.
Your story is.
I'm not ready.
What do you think about this experience?
Okay, Sphinx. So Sphinx is a kind of it's a mythology. I think from Greek or
Yes,
Is
Greek.
it Egyptian mythology? Yes. So there's a one shape where the face is of human being and the body is of animal. It shows only one thing that we all derive from the nature, and one day we will go into nature. right? So we have, if you have read the theory of evolution, so we have read from one cell, from the one unit. Millions of years, we have spent millions of years. After that, this is the state of that single cell. This is the state of that single cell, right? And we do not know. Evolution is the thing that continuous process is there. We do not know this is the final thing, or we are still evaluating, right? That future will tell.
Okay, now you can refer to the purpose. Please open the first page.
Yes.
Let's say right.
Yes, yes. So let's go to the purpose, everybody. What is the purpose of this unit? You can read it. Okay. So the purpose one is to reflect on the nature of a human being.
Were we able to do everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the true nature of a human being?
Kindness.
All the gems.
Yes. All the gems.
Good gems, good goods.
And second one is to understand how we might best and treat people according to their inward intellectual, moral and spiritual characteristics rather than their outward and physical characteristics.
Right. Did we learn that also?
Yes.
First is what are some gems that everybody has. Second, that once we have realized that Amit also has the same gems, then should I change the behavior? Right? जो मेरा behavior अभी तक अमित के तरफ था अंदर, क्या उसमें कुछ change आएगा when I know कि there is no difference?
Definitely.
No. Again repeating. So if I count, अभी तक I used to count that everybody is different. I'm not a part of this group because my position is different. And then you say that I am also different because my position is different. Then there is a manager or there is somebody else. I will not sit here. I will not spend time because I am not a part of this group. Now this shows that I have not understood the true nature of it. But now the true nature is clear. It's gems. When that is clear, will I think before sitting with you all?
Yes.
Will you think before sitting with me?
No.
That should not happen.
Yes.
Because you practice.
Practice.
Practice. We need to practice it. It will take some time, and that's what the end unit and sixth lesson talks about unity and hope. And just be hopeful. Try with small things. तो आपको ट्रीट करना and treating is important. वो चीज़ से reflect तो कर लिया है, अब उसको action में लेके आना. For that action, try this everywhere. Start with your family, and I would even suggest start at your branch.
Yes.
So ये जो words हैं, ये सिर्फ words नहीं, it should reflect in your actions as well.
Applying our life in action.
Yes, implement it. Thank you so much, we understood. Really good example.